we are going to learn poem, that is I would like to be a lighthouse. So the poet says that you want to be a lighthouse. So now let's we see something few points about the lighthouse. I would like to be a lighthouse. A lighthouse is a tower. So here you can see down at the picture I have given, it's a tower, building or tall structure on a seashore. So near at end of the edge of the sea, that is seashore, it is said. From the lighthouse the beam lights, that is the beam light, the light it flashes, or the flashes of light are thrown out. So from the lighthouse we can see the lights are thrown out. Okay, so you can see, especially in torch, you can see if we use the torch, the light where which direction we show the that direction there will be light, there will be brightness. Okay, so here in the lighthouse it is there near the shore, that is seashore. This beam helps ships at sea to navigate. So to this beam, so that a beam, that means the light that comes from the lighthouse, then it helps the ship from the distance to navigate, to means to find the way across the sea, to find the way whether it is going in a proper way, and to where the port is there. Port means where the ships stop. Okay, so they can tell the ships that there is a port nearby. So lighthouse helps them to know the port where it is. In day of old, modern means of communication like radio, mobile phones, internet were not available to people. So in those days, in old days, so there was no radio, mobile phones, internets, and also they so this was, the lighthouse was more useful to them. Therefore the warning signal of lighthouse were very useful to ships. So the warning signals that is given from the lighthouse helped the ships in olden days. In today's day of radio, TV, the internet, satellite service, many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. So you can see in today's days we can see we have many facilities: radio, TV, internet is there, satellite is there. With the help we can easily travel by ship and by aeroplanes, that is travel by ships go travel by sea and sky, the aeroplanes fly in sky. So the nowadays there are many facilities, so they can easily travel, so with the help of the today's network service. So hope all of you understood about the lighthouse. Now let's see the poem. I would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. So the poet want to be a lighthouse, and scrubbed means to remove something. That is, before painting, you see they rub and remove, scrub and then painted white, and it will be wanted to be, poet want to painted white. I would like to be a lighthouse. So the poet want to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. So you know that when you usually we use torch. So when we use at daytime we don't use, at the night we use the torch. So in darkness it gives light. Okay, so the poet want to be a lighthouse and stay and awake means you should not sleep all night. Okay, so if you become lighthouse, then of course they have to be awake. No, you cannot sleep at night, to keep keep my eye on everything. So the poet want to keep, that is the lighthouse keep the eye on everything. Sail my patch of sea. Patch of sea means the light where it flashes, there it forms a patch. Patch means area belonging to someone. So if it's a light falls on the sea, okay, where the ship is sailing, so that place he keeps the eye. So I would like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. So the poet want to be a lighthouse, all the ships all watching me. So usually when ships are going darkness, so they feel there should be some light. So the lighthouse will be a light to the ships, and keep eye on everything, and you can say it will stay awake all night. So now let's sing the poem along with me. I would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I would like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Thank you.